I can't wait to play this game, gee willikers. Oh wait, here's an NPC. I can't wait to play with him. Let's see what he has for me. Welcome to the graveyard of the past, the present, and the future. I'm looking for my puppy. Can you help me find him? I found your puppy, sir. What else do you have for me? Oh no, it looks like the NPC is asking me to do the same thing over again. It might be broken. Welcome to the graveyard of the past, the present, and the future. I'm looking for my puppy. Can you help me find him? I've been stuck on the same NPC and same mission for the last 3 hours. I'm going to uninstall the game now. Blizzard Entertainment failed me. James, what is going on with the game? This is the millionth person to uninstall the game today. Blizzard has lost player retention to other games such as Fortnite. They need a new emerging platform to attract and retain their player base. Sir, I think we need to work with Rival Theory so we can use their AI character technology to make our NPCs more complex. Hello, this is Rival Theory. I had an interest in your Rain engine, the AI technology, for our game.
Hi, I understand Blizzard is having issues with player engagement. I have a solution for you. Rival Theory Rain Engine. Rival Theory was founded with the vision of creating highly realistic, intelligent characters for use in video games, interactive media, digital narrative, and entertainment. Since its inception, Rival Theory has provided AI-based tools and technology to over 100,000 developers and studios worldwide. With the use of traditional AI and machine learning technologies in NLP, speech synthesis, and rendering, combined with Rival Theory's proprietary Sensio technology, we specialize in the development of interactive personalities embodying expert knowledge conveyed through written or spoken conversation.
Rival Theory's Rain engine technology relies on a suite of AI-based processes to enhance players' interactions with NPC characters. In this context, the two most important are machine learning systems and natural language generation. In essence, machine learning systems allow machines to develop predictions or determinations on pre-programmed logic structures. When data is fed into this system, the algorithm will process those data based on previously set parameters and then adjust its own output or behavior based on the data it receives. Similarly, natural language processing feeds linguistic information through a machine learning system which correlates its output responses based on pre-programmed guidelines like syntax, grammar, or even real people's speaking habits. This system can then learn to generate output responses that mirror those of real or fictional characters by feeding the relevant dialogue through the network. The confluence of these systems allows Rival Theory's Rain engine to generate non-player characters that respond dynamically to players and in the tone of any real or fictional character. Such a technology would allow Activision Blizzard to increase immersion and retention in its games by trading on its greatest asset, its expansive pantheon of characters and lore.
Hello, my petrified corporate knight. Welcome to the graveyard, where all your worst and terrible nightmares will come true. I have a task for you, but only if you dare step into my world. Wow, this is awesome! I need to share this with my friends all over social media. James, this is superb news. Our player retention is insane.